A new video from Technic Power. Today we show you how you can access your Google Drive files with your Android TV. How does it work? As always after the intro. You have an Android TV and want to access your Google Drive data. No problem, but slowly turn around. What is Google Drive? Google Drive is nothing more than an online storage. In other words, you have the possibility to access all your files from anywhere and everywhere as soon as you have an internet connection. Each of us has a Gmail account or a Google Mail account. But the fewest also know that they can upload files there and then access them from anywhere if they need them. And if you also have an Android TV, then the whole thing is perfect. Because you can always access your data and do not have to copy the whole thing to stick or whatever. But you can really view your files over the TV. I have a basic OLED TV here. But it doesn't matter which TV you have, which manufacturer. It's about needing an Android TV. And with this I want to access my TV or my Google Drive account, my files. First open your browser and log in to your Google account up here. Here you enter your email address and then the password. Then continue. Confirmation code if you have activated this in 2 steps, like me. Continue. Now you are logged in. Then you have to go up here to these points and to Drive. And now the great thing is that you can put in everything you want here. New, for example. Upload files. I'll upload this file. Then I'll upload this. And next I'll upload another file, this one. That means I'll leave these 3 files, so we can try it on the TV. Of course you have the option to upload videos and everything. You can create folders, you can release them for different people and so on. I'll leave these 3 files and well look at them on the TV. Let's go to our home menu and download the following app that we need. I have a Google Play Store. And the app we need is called FX File Explorer. And if we type in FX here, it will come automatically. We have it here. FX File Explorer. We download this and install the whole thing. It takes a few minutes and then we have downloaded the app. And now it is being installed. And here we have the option to access our Google Drive account. But not only that. If we look at the app here, we will see. Here we have to accept the whole thing, of course. Then we will see here that we can really access everything that is on our TV in the system. Let it be. This is now a welcome screen. With back it comes back and says OK. Here we see everything that is stored here. For example, on the main storage we see everything that is stored on the TV. If you have a USB stick, of course, this is also displayed or a hard drive. Whatever. But what we need here is this point here. It's called cloud storage. Here we go on it. And here we have nothing added, of course. We don't have a cloud here. Then we go down here to this plus and press OK. Now we are asked if we want Dropbox, OneDrive or if we want to add Google Drive. Or even our own cloud. I will of course Google Drive and confirm the whole thing with OK. Now we have to add a Google Drive account, of course. You have the option to give it a name here. If you want to have it, I'll leave it that way and click on this OK symbol or on this arrow. Now we are asked here which account we want. You have to sign up here. I already signed up before. This account here, so you would first enter your Gmail account and then the password. And if you are in here with the password, then of course you have to leave it. And now I have added my account here. Now I would like to see what is inside my account. Very simple, I open the whole thing. And the pictures that we added before are now inside. And I can now watch them very comfortably on the TV. And of course with videos. That is also possible. I can really open any file here. Very, very easy. And you see how great the whole thing works. We can access our Google Drive account very comfortably with the TV. And the whole thing without cable. There is even a great function here called Split View. That means here I have split the whole thing so that I can access it here. Also videos, for example, as I said, I don't have any videos in there now, of course. But it also shows me how much space I still have free here. A great app, as I said, is called FX File Explorer and you can download it on any Android TV. If you have any questions, then use the comment function. Subscribe to our channel. Then you're always up to date. Technik Borsak, thanks for watching and goodbye.